a cabin tour of stateroom 11534. It is a ultra spacious family suite. So this is an ultra spacious Oceanview family room, and it sleeps 6. So I'm standing here in the doorway right now, and as you walk in, there is this light here, and that goes to this bunk bed area here. Okay, here's your bunk bed area. Sleeps 2, you know. And they also have a closet, which right now has the pillows that goes to the sofa bed. Well, it's actually not a sofa bed, excuse me, guys. It's a trundle, excuse me. When you come in to your left-hand side, you're gonna see the lights, and these lights control the room. And then they put in a key card in here, and this key card has to be in here in order to control the lights as well as the AC. To the left is going to be your bathroom, which is nice. Watch your step. And you have the bowed out shower with your, which is good because these new showers now do not have the shower curtain. And you're going to see that it has the Salt and Breeze hair and body wash double duty, but we tend to bring our own Dove body soap. It has a footrest for the ladies for shaving. All right, and a handheld shower head, as well as a clothesline. You're gonna have your toilet, trash can, some extra towels. This is the rectangle sink, which we didn't like too much because it is a mess when you're trying to wash your face or brush your teeth. They give you 1 bar of soap, some hand towels, some cups, storage, and you have an outlet here for your shavers. Okay, that's about it. You come out of the bathroom, watch your step. You have your AC controls right here. You have another closet right here, so you can hang some stuff on there. And here is your trundle bed. So when we came into the room, it was already made up by the stateroom attendant. So, and if you pull this out, there you have it. So we have 2 here in the bunks, 2 here in this trundle, and then you have your Royal King bed, which is basically 2 twin beds that's pushed together to make 1 king bed. And on this side here, you're gonna have another closet, some pull-out drawers here, put some stuff in, another little side nightstand, and now they come with these USB-Cs, lamp, and regular AC outlet. If you come over to this side there's more room obviously because there's no closet. You're gonna have your telephone as well, and also USB-C and your AC outlet. If I pan out, you can see this room has a porthole window, so which is good for families as well, especially with young kids. If you don't want to do a balcony, because you'll even though the balconies do have safety features, now balconies do have the safety features for the little ones, but if that still is worrisome to you, you can always book a family room like this, so that way you at least have some natural sunlight and you don't have to worry about little ones getting out onto the balcony without supervision. So you have this nice porthole here to get some natural sunlight, and which is going to be nice, especially when we're out to sea. Right now we're still at Port Canaveral. Okay, and one thing about this stateroom, they give you this little dresser here The dresser is going to have your basic hair dryer, napkins, pull-out drawers, more drawers. Okay. This is where you're going to have your breakfast menu. So you can order room service. Be aware that there is a fee for $7.95 per room delivery and an 18% gratuity that is automatically applied. Here's your breakfast menu. You would fill this out, the number of people in your stateroom, and you put this out at nighttime before the next day that you want your breakfast to be delivered. We get complimentary waters because our royalty status with Royal Caribbean. And right here is I want to say it's a chiller. It is not a refrigerator. It is just a chiller. So for those of you who may have any medical needs, tip for you, when you do book your cruise, and if you are booking with your travel advisor, make sure that you let them know that you actually do need a refrigerator to store certain medications or anything like that. And then that way they will make sure that you have one in your stateroom. So for right now, we have a nice mirror that has nice lighting. So that should definitely help, especially with trying to get ready. You have your AC outlets, European outlets, USBs. Okay. You have your shows and parties here on this flyer that they leave in the room for you. Here's your cruise compass. And if you actually need a paper cruise compass, you can always get one at guest services. They'll give you a hard copy, but also everything is on the app. Okay. Here's your remote. You have a chair. So it's just a small desk area if you need to do some work, some editing. And you have these little, what are these, knobs or so on the walls? And your TV for your health and safety. And right here is another closet. Small safe. Not big enough for a laptop or anything. Just your valuables. You have another closet here. Excuse all of our backpacks. Just made it into the room. And a nice full-length mirror to get ready. So guys, that is it. That is a quick little room tour of cabin 1154, which is an Oceanview family room that accommodates up to 6, and we are a family of 5 right now. The downside is that it's only 1 bathroom, but you know, make do with that. That is one thing that Disney has over Royal Caribbean, because they do split bathrooms for their rooms. So Royal, please make a note, at least include split bathrooms. But this is the room tour, and it is pretty good. It's pretty spacious. It is just a weekend getaway, and it's nice. You can see how much room there is here. I just wish that there was more drawer space. Drawers, there's only these, and that's about it. And then there's the closets. So unlike the older Royal Caribbean ships like we've sailed on Liberty of the Seas, I mean, it was basically a full armoire and drawers and desk space. And that is it. So guys, I hope you found this room tour useful and helpful, so that way you know what type of room you can book for your family for your next cruise vacation on Utopia of the Seas. Thank you for watching.